Hello, my name is Kayla Davis with the ODU ePortfolio Studio, and in this video, I will be showing you how to access Adobe Spark. So the first thing that you can do is open up your browser and just type in Adobe Spark. And then we're going to go to Spark right here. Now that you are on the Spark homepage, you want to go ahead and click on Continue with Google. Once you click on Continue with Google, you're going to use your odu.edu account because that is hosted through Google. So now, once you've selected your odu.edu account, you're going to click on Personal Account. And now you are on the Adobe Spark page where you can use different templates to do anything that you want. So the most common feature that we use here at ODU is using Adobe Spark to make a website. In order to use Adobe Spark to make a web page, we're going to go to this blue plus button here on the left corner, and then we're going to scroll down and click Web Page. Once the web page has loaded, we're going to go ahead and add our title here. I'm just going to name this Practice. And then my subtitle will be, This is an Example. So now you can see that this is gray. You can actually go ahead and click on the gray space and then add a photo. You can either upload a photo that's saved onto your computer, or you can find stock photos using Unsplash, your Google Photos account, your Google Drive account, or any Creative Cloud applications that you may have. So I'm just going to go with Find Free Photos, and I'm just going to type in computer. And I'll just go ahead and use this one right here. You can see that it says practice. This is an example. And now it says scroll to start writing your story. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And as you can see, we have this white section down here. I'm going to go ahead and add some text. As you can see, you can add a photo, text, a button, which is basically a hyperlink to different content, whether that's a web page or a PDF that you might have, a video, a photo grid, a glide show, which is pretty much just a presentation, or split layout, meaning you'll have an image on one side and text on the other. So I'm just going to add some text. Okay. So now that I have that, I don't really like it being this far off to the left. I want to center it. So let's go ahead and do that. We can just go ahead and click this center icon here, and then that will center our text. If we want to make it bold, we can do that here, italicize, or if you want to link out any of this text here, you can use this link icon. So if I wanted to link out ePortfolio Studio at ODU right here, then I can just open up ODU EP, open up the web page here, take this link here, go back to Adobe Spark. I'm just going to highlight this one more time, click this hyperlink icon, and then paste and save. And now it will be clickable so that anytime you click on it, it takes you to the ePortfolios page for our website. So one last thing that I am going to show you is if we click this plus button again, we can do split layout. Split layout is great when you have content that you want to show, but you also have text that you want to share about that content. So if I click add your image, once again, I'm just going to use one of these stock images here, but you can use any image that you have uploaded on your computer as well. So I'm just going to use this picture here, and then I'm going to add some text here, saying, in the EP Studio, we help students build a digital identity. Right there. And if you wanted to swap the picture, so you wanted to have the picture on the right-hand side and the wording on the left, you can do that by just clicking this little swap icon. Easy as that. So now let's talk about when you have finally uploaded all the content that you want to on your website and you're ready to share it. First, go ahead and scroll up to the top and then click on Present, just to make sure you like how the entire site looks. You can scroll through it, just kind of giving you a visual. Okay. Once you click Present, and then when you're ready to share it, you're just going to click this down arrow right here next to Share, and you're going to click Publish and Share Link. And then once you've done that, you can click Create a Link. So I'm just going to do this. Scroll through here. If you wanted to do a category, you could do that as well. I'm going to turn off Get Noticed just because this is a practice website. And now I'm going to click Create Link. And it might take a while to create your link, but once the link is created, you can go ahead and click on Copy, paste it into another page in your browser, and then it opens up like so. And now you can see all of the transitions. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to make an appointment with us, and we look forward to seeing you in our future videos.